Have you ever wondered what's happening under the hood of your car when you turn the key? That rumbling sound is the heart of your vehicle, the engine. Today, in about 5 minutes, we're going to break down exactly how it works. At its core, an engine is a machine designed to convert energy into motion. Specifically, most cars use an internal combustion engine, meaning they burn fuel inside the engine itself to create power. Think of the engine like a highly coordinated team of tiny, powerful cylinders. Inside these cylinders, we have moving parts, a piston that goes up and down, and a crankshaft at the bottom that spins around. The job of the engine is to turn the pistons up and down, reciprocating motion, into the rotational motion needed to spin your car's wheels. How does it do that? With a brilliantly simple repeating sequence called the four-stroke cycle. Stroke just means one full movement of the piston. Let's walk through those 4 strokes. 1. The intake stroke. It all starts with getting the right ingredients. The piston moves down inside the cylinder and an intake valve opens up. This creates suction, pulling a precise mixture of air and a tiny mist of fuel into the empty space. The engine breathes in. 2. The compression stroke. Once the fuel and air are in, the intake valve closes, sealing the cylinder tight. The piston then moves back up, squeezing that mixture into a much smaller, highly compressed space. Compressing the mixture makes it incredibly flammable and ready to explode with force. 3. The power combustion stroke. This is where the magic happens. Right when the piston reaches the very top, a spark plug zaps the compressed mixture. Boom! A mini explosion occurs. The fuel burns rapidly, creating hot, expanding gas that forcefully shoves the piston back down. This powerful push is what generates the actual energy to move the car. The piston pushes down on a connecting rod, which in turn spins the crankshaft. That spinning motion is what gets sent through the rest of the car's system to turn the wheels. 4. The exhaust stroke. Now we have burned up exhaust gases, like smoke, left in the cylinder. An exhaust valve opens and the piston moves up one last time, pushing all those waste gases out of the cylinder and through your car's tailpipe. The engine breathes out. And that's it. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. This entire cycle happens hundreds, sometimes thousands of times per minute in each cylinder of your engine. It's a continuous, synchronized dance of parts, all working together in perfect timing to turn liquid fuel into the reliable motion that gets you where you need to go. The engine needs a few other things to keep running smoothly, like oil for lubrication and cooling systems to manage all that heat. But the core process is that 4-stroke cycle. So next time you hear that engine purr, you'll know exactly how your car creates its own power, one tiny controlled explosion at a time. Thanks for listening.